Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best affiliate programs that you can join right now on gaming and Twitch affiliates. So let's start. So the first one is Evenlink. Evenlink, aka Astro Gaming, is going to give you a commission of 5%, and thanks to Evenlink you can simply join plenty of like programs here, and thanks to that you can just apply and get more commission. So Astro Gaming is a great way how you can make money. This is just like my introduction. Now the second way how you can make money with gaming affiliate is go with a fanatical.com. So when I'm going to write it right here, Fanatical, you see that it's like pretty popular and people are using it. And what you can do is like easily promote games, and they're going to be much cheaper comparing to the Steam games. And what you can actually do is write articles, create YouTube videos that if someone wants to buy a game, they can just like easily use it, and you're gonna make 5%, and you can have a cookie duration of 90 days. So that's perfect. So someone is going to click through the link and they're not going to buy it, but then they would like buy it. You're gonna make much more money, and that's pretty good. And Fanatical is a great way how we can actually make money. The third one is G2 Deal. A G2 Deal is another way how we can make money in gaming. And you're gonna make like Steam here, and you see plenty of games which you can actually sell then cheaper and then promote it. What you can do is to g2.com. That's something G2 Esports is it right here. And so G2 Deal, this is how we can make like plenty of money thanks to it. And that's another like 10 to 20% on software. And if you're gonna sell like Avast series or Kaspersky, you're gonna make it much cheaper. So that's something that I would recommend definitely to buy and use. And that's like another thing what you can do. The next one I prepared for you is a Gamefly. Gamefly is going to give you 50% per trial sign up, 5% for new games, and 10% for used games. So that's something you can definitely do. And what you can do is like start free trial. It's not outside the US, but this is something how we can actually make money, and it's like pretty good way how we can make money. So Gamefly, 15 bucks per trial sign up, 5% for the new games, 10% for the used games. And when I would come here on Gamefly, you can just like start playing games here. So that's pretty good what you can actually do and how we can make money. They have also movies, not just games. And the last one I prepared for you is a Twitch one. Twitch affiliate is a great way how we can make money and start streaming on Twitch. This is the same way if you would be creating YouTube videos and creating YouTube content. How would it work is that let's say that you would be creating like, I don't know, content on Twitch about YouTube, and content on Twitch, content on YouTube about games. So there is a Shirako, and like this guy is making so much money, and what he's doing, look at this, he doesn't have any commentary at all, and he's making really good money, like Resident Evil Village, all bosses, boss fights, 1 million views. And when you look on his stats how much money he makes, he's making a bank, 44 million views. That's like what, like so much money. And what you have to do is like buy the game immediately when it comes out and just create as much videos as you can. So that's something you can definitely do. And with the Twitch, there are multiple ways how we can make money. The first way how we can make money is through the subscriptions. Someone's going to subscribe and you're going to make 50%. Then you can have like with the bits, then you can have like also things like affiliate, cooperations with other companies like I'm mentioning right now. So there's actually a few ways how you can make money, and it's a pretty good way. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. I created also my mini course, which is completely for free, on how you can actually start with YouTube. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to create YouTube videos, there is a mini course down below in the description. I created over 6 channels, uploaded more than 5,000 videos on YouTube, and I believe I can help you and provide you some guidance and support on what you can build with YouTube channel. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.